How's it going? Today I want to talk about this electric stovetop. Now this is a portable electric stovetop and it plugs right into your wall outlet. This is a very nice stainless steel around the outside and you have this black cooktop. The one thing about this cooktop is there's only certain materials that can go on there, like cast iron, enamel. If you have an aluminum pan, it has to have a magnetic bottom. If it doesn't, then this is not meant for that. Only certain pans are going to be able to work on this. If you don't have anything that is going to work, then this will shut off after 60 seconds. Very simple to use. You can plug this into a wall outlet. It's going to light up with its LEDs. There's a timer setting, there's a temperature setting, and a heat setting. With those settings, you can go ahead and set your food to a timer to cook. You can also adjust the temperature Fahrenheit, Celsius. There are different heat levels that you can select. As far as the buttons on this, we have a timer button, which would be setting a timer for your cooking. We also have the temperature button. The temp button is ideal for cooking that necessary temperature management. So if you have anything like keeping food warm or you're deep frying, the temperature setting is going to be the best one for that. When it comes to the heat button is ideal for various cooking tasks such as boiling, steaming. If you have a hot pot, any type of preparations for searing or stir frying, then you're going to want to go with the heat setting. It also has a boil setting and a keep warm setting. You've got your on and off button, and then you can go plus or minus, and that's going to adjust whatever you're seeing there on the actual dial. With the cast iron skillet, we're going to cook a steak and see how it does. Okay, so one thing to note on this, it does a really good job of heating up the pan quickly. It's very portable. You could take this on the go, or if you don't have a stove or a big oven and you just need something to get a nice meal cooked up, this is going to do a great job of it. It's very convenient. When you take the pan off, it automatically shuts off. So if you forget to turn it off, it'll shut off when there's no pan that's detected on the actual cooker. I think that's really good, and it's also just a really nice tool to use if you're trying to cook a really good meal.